In this video, I'll guide you through how to run a depreciation report in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your fixed asset depreciation quickly and accurately. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Xero credentials and choose the correct organization if you have access to more than one. It's important you're in the right company file so that the depreciation you run applies to the correct set of accounts. Once you're in your Xero dashboard, look along the top navigation bar for the accounting menu. This is where Xero keeps most of the core financial features, including reports and ledgers. Hover your mouse over accounting or click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that drop-down, click on Fixed Assets. This section is dedicated to assets like vehicles, equipment, computers, and any other items you're depreciating over time. If you don't see any assets listed here, it may mean they haven't been set up yet, but for this walkthrough, we'll assume your fixed assets are already in place. When the Fixed Assets page opens, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option that says Run Depreciation. This is the button that triggers Xero to calculate the depreciation expense for your assets up to a certain date. Go ahead and click on Run Depreciation. After you click it, Xero will open a new window or panel where you can choose the date you want to depreciate to. You'll see a field labeled 2 with a date picker. This date is important because it defines the cutoff point for the depreciation calculation. Click on the To Date field and select the appropriate date from the calendar. In most cases, you'll choose the end of the month, quarter, or financial year, depending on how often you run your depreciation. For example, many businesses run depreciation monthly, choosing the last day of the month so that the depreciation ties neatly into their monthly reporting. Before you move on, take a moment to double check that the date is correct. Running depreciation to the wrong date can affect your profit and loss and balance sheet, so it's worth a quick review. If you're following a specific reporting schedule set by your accountant or your internal policies, make sure the date lines up with that schedule. Once you're happy with the date selected in the To field, you're ready to run the process. Look for the Confirm button, usually at the bottom of the panel. When you click Confirm, Xero will process the depreciation for all eligible fixed assets up to the date you selected. Depending on how many assets you have, this might take a moment, but usually it's quite fast. After it's done, you can review the impact of the depreciation by looking at your fixed assets list, your general ledger, or your financial report, such as the profit and loss and balance sheet. You should see updated depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation balances that match the date you chose. And that's all there is to it. You've now run a depreciation report in Xero by navigating to the fixed assets section, choosing your depreciation date, and confirming the calculation.